Hi everyone, today we are going to share most important vocabulary which you can use at your work, and these phrases you can definitely employ during your work, at your office, at your workplace or anywhere. So let's start. The first one is crunch the numbers, which means do a lot of calculations. So the example sentence is,
Emma, please crunch the numbers in this app.
the next phrase at work is eager beaver, a person who is extremely enthusiastic and works really very hard. How can we use this word in a sentence? Ahmed is an eager beaver person because he works from dawn till dusk.
Next phrase is golden handshake.
Golden handshake means a large sum of money which is given to somebody when they're leaving their job. So how can we use it in an example sentence?
Dad thinks Ali is way too old, so he should get a golden handshake. The next phrase is walking paper.
Walking paper means the letter or notice dismissing somebody from the job. So the example sentence is,
Rahim is not working hard, so he should get a walking paper. The last phrase is have a lot on your plate.
a lot on your plate is a phrase which is used at work when you are swamped with work, which means you have a lot of work responsibilities at the moment. So how can we use it in an example sentence? Let's take a look. Daneen, why haven't you completed your task yet?
Sorry teacher, I just have a lot on my plate these days because I've been practicing in other activities. So I will do the task later.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned all these phrases at work for now. And like,
Subscribe and share. I love it.